Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding, riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real. I call for you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light to fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invisible at last, fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invisible. I've been flying off the ceiling, and maybe we're invisible.
Okay, we're back.
Yes, and
We've had some developments.
we have. Yes, we have.
So we decided after some talk
Mm-hmm.
that we would go-
And a little bit of cleaning.
and a little bit of cleaning of our room, which you shouldn't have to do at any
especially
hotel.
when you're paying the kind of money you pay to be at the Grand Floridian.
Yeah, we decided to go to the desk and talk to the desk people. And a lovely guy called Colin down at the desk hooked us up
Right.
with a nice little magical upgrade.
Yes.
So, you know, we just explained, we're here for our anniversary. We're only here for one night. You know, it's a special occasion.
We kind of splurged.
We splurged on the room. We were disappointed, you know, and we're not complainer people, but when you're that disappointed in something and you kind of have to clean up your own room, like the towel rack where our bath towels and stuff was filthy. There was sticky gunk on the table.
The bedside table.
The bedside table. So it just wasn't satisfactory.
It was total magical buzzkill.
Right, it really, really was, because we were both just like, I honestly just didn't even want to stay there in the hotel anymore. I wanted to be switched to, you know, different hotel. But we went down, talked to Colin at the desk. And
Told him the issues.
Told him the issue. He
problems.
was super nice, and we were not like complaint trained about it. We just, you know, we're like, you know, we're disappointed.
Well, and they need to know, you know, they need to know that it's not up to Disney standards, because it's not. Because
Right.
we've been all over this place, like as most of you know, and we are very satisfied. There's been
Yeah.
a couple of times where we've been put in rooms that were not
Not the amazing thing that you expect.
No, only one other time have we moved rooms, and that was at Wilderness Lodge.
Right, and it was my 50th birthday, and they gave us the tiniest little balcony.
Yeah.
So we politely asked, you know, if we could have a new room. And that's what we did this time. You know, we weren't Karens about it.
No.
You know, we just politely said, hey, you know, we're disappointed. And, you know, he did offer if we wanted to stay in our room, he would give us a resort credit. And we decided that we would rather switch rooms. So he went and was gone for a few minutes and came back with where we are now.
Yeah, and he did hook us up.
He did hook us up. And I might have cried just a little bit, but I can't help it because I cry really easily.
It wasn't to get sympathy.
No, it really wasn't. It just happened.
It's just because she was just upset.
Yeah, I was upset.
Yeah.
I was really upset. So, I'm going to show you around.
Yeah.
He moved us to the Sugarloaf Building, which is the club level building, to a 1-bedroom suite. So...
And it is, now this is what I call Grand Floridian.
It is. It's really what you expect from the Grand Floridian. You know, when you're paying that kind of money. I mean, of course, this one's more money.
Right.
But this is the level of...
I mean, they could do this in the other
They
rooms.
really could do this in the other rooms and make it feel a lot nicer. The other room just felt like an average Hilton room.
Yeah, anything you could have picked up at the airport.
Honestly, yeah.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to show you around.
Yeah. Yeah, it's alright. No, it's really
It's
awesome.
really nice.
It is really, really nice. I'm very, very impressed with
Yeah.
this. So this, to me, this is Grand Floridian.
Yeah, to me this is Grand Floridian also. This is Grand Flo level.
Yeah.
And we're not trying to be snooty by any means.
We're not.
It's just, this is kind of what the level of furnishings and things that you expect.
Well, yeah, because
the
it's
Grand
like, you know,
Floridian.
that if they tout this as like their
Signature,
you know,
resort, yeah.
you know, luxury resort, then it should be all the resort, not just certain places.
Yeah.
So
I agree.
But
But
this is it.
We feel lucky. We feel very lucky that
We're
we
very
were
lucky.
able to get the upgrade.
You know, and it's like, don't, seriously, if you're not happy, just complain nicely.
Yeah, it's all in the way you do it.
Yeah, don't be grumpy or
angry person
or
and
pointing
yelling.
fingers and whatever.
Yeah, it's just all in the way you say things to people, and
they're here to help, and they love us, and we love them, and you know, it's like they know. So
Yeah.
we just say, really, it just kind of is disappointing, and they'll bend over backwards to help you out.
they really will. They really will. So we're gonna unpack some stuff, and well, we don't really have any plans for later, so we'll just see. We're probably gonna go to Enchanted Rose
Probably.
because Mama needs a cocktail.
Several.
At least 2. Okay, we'll see you there.
Okay.
It's cocktail time.
Necklace Bob.
Necklace Bob.
Yeah.
Necklace Bob goes to the Enchanted Rose.
Swamp Foot Bob. Without the neck.
You got a lot of names.
I do.
Yeah.
I'm okay with that.
So we're sitting outside on the patio at the Enchanted Rose, which is really nice.
It is a nice patio.
It's quite sophisticated out here.
I like it a lot.
Yeah. Makes you feel fancy just a little bit. But it's actually really relaxed out here. Isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
So we've
And
ordered.
The weather is amazing.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
it's
just,
perfect
not hot,
outside.
It's just great.
Yeah. So here's what the little patio looks like. It's very nice. We have a little couchy table, just like that one.
Couchy.
So we ordered a couple beverages.
Beverages for must.
And then we also did a mobile order for
Kona
Kona
Cafe.
Cafe. We're gonna go pick up and take back to our swanky room here.
Swank.
in
It
just
even
little
has
bit.
a dinner table too.
It's swank. Here comes our drinks.
It's swank.
Here's our drinky drinks. I got a Grand Cosmo and Bob has an espresso martini. They look very full.
Eat it, like, drink
Cheers. We got some truffle fries. Say yay, truffle fries.
it. Yay, trouble fries.
Round 2. What is
Daisy.
it's the Mike Wazowski.
It's got the big eyeball.
It really does look just like the ones we made at home, doesn't it? Mike Wazowski.
You should link that video to
We should. I will. I'll link it in the corner.
that one of those corners.
That one that you look at for the link. See if Bob can make it down the stairs without falling.
I think you better.
Okay, let's see if Kelly can make it down the stairs without falling. Ooh, these are like back stairs. I've never been on these stairs before.
Well, nor have I, but I
It's
want
like-
to try it.
It's like the private stairs.
It's there.
This is the servant stairs.
Pervert stairs?
Servants, not perverts.
Sound like you said pervert stairs. Can you get out of here?
That away? We're gonna have a little walk over to the Polynesian to pick up our mobile order. Polly, what was that? Polly. Disney Bunny. He's going that way. Hi, Disney Bunny.
You've got tiny ears.
Yeah, that was like a jackrabbit kind of bunny.
No, jackrabbits have ears like
Oh,
this.
they do?
Yeah, they're
Like big honking ears?
Yeah.
Okay. Say the wedding crapple.
The wedding crapple.
But it's so lovely.
Very lovely. It's quite nice.
It's quite nice. Quite expensive as well.
You'd think life was crap before you got married.
Now you go to the crapple.
Now you go to the crapple. Hello, monorail.
Hello, Mr. Monorail.
Lovely.
How are you this evening? Look, all the rooms over there are covered up with paper.
All the rooms right here.
God, covered up
And paper.
because they're redoing them all.
Looks like plastic.
It does look like plastic, so you can't peek in.
See the nasty mess.
The nasty mess.
This is a cousin of mine.
Mr. Big Nose.
Yep.
Hello, Mr. Big Nose.
This is Billy Big Nose.
Billy Big Nose. I have a Polynesian update for you guys. The aroma and the music is back. So yay! Yay!
That's for hearing impaired.
Yay! We're going to sit at our proper dining table
Yes.
and dine.
And dine.
Would you care to dine with
I
us?
care to dine. I like dine.
We like dining
I will dine.
at our proper table
Dine.
with our swanky
Every time we
paper
say
bags. Dine. Every time we say dine, you must drink.
Dine.
Dining.
Dine.
Dining with Bob and Kelly.
Dine.
Alright, I got a rainbow roll. It probably looks prettier outside the box. And short ribs, but look at the cute little compartment thingy I got. That's awesome. Bob got a noodle bowl and something in a box. I don't know what that is, but they gave us fancy utensils. Like 4. Maybe they thought we ordered enough for 4 people, which we have a tendency to do that.
What's in the bag?
Utensils and soy sauce
And
hot sauce and chopsticks.
you got the chopstick?
Chopsticks.
Chopstick.
Would you care to dine with me?
Oh, I would care to dine with Godzilla.
It does look like, it looks like a Mickey, like a funky
It's a
Mickey.
funky pot sticker Mickey pancake.
Yeah, like
Let's
yeah.
just see about that.
it's all stuck together.
Let's see what happens.
Oh, okay.
Well, maybe they call
separate.
them pot stickers because they're
They
stuck.
stick together.
Yes.
Uh,
Trying to get it.
there you go.
Aha.
Aha.
Ah.
Oaxaca.
Look, it's looking at me.
Oh, it's another one with the face.
It's
you
a
got
pork-
something with the face and something else with the face.
It's a pork belly noodle bowl. Pork belly
Sure, you'll be
noodle
taking those eggs out.
Yeah. Mmm.
How is it?
Mmm.
Good? Yes?
It's amazing, yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
Oh my god, that is so good. She's got to sing to her sushi, so just hang with. She's very singy tonight. So that's cool.
Cool. The sing song.
The singy sing.
I think I'll put my soy sauce in this
Receptacle.
receptacle like that.
So you can do the dippage.
Because I like the dipping.
She likes to dip and tap.
I dip and tap and dip and tap.
It is a
and
dip
tap.
and tap. It's always a dip and tap. She's a creature of dip and tap habit.
Dip and
Dip and tap
and
it.
tap it.
Gotta put some
A little bit of wasabi
wasabi.
on there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is the method. Ooh.
Yeah, you gotta get the whole thing there, girlfriend.
Okay, it's having trouble.
Well, you need to pick it up sideways. There
There
you
we
go.
go. So you dip
Dip. Like so.
and tap.
Tap.
Dip and tap.
Tap. Hello, and how are you? Greetings and salutations. It is to the evening, right? Oh, it's almost 9 o'clock.
Almost 9.
This is the earliest we've been in this whole trip. So anyway, so we're gonna close out this vlog and we're gonna say thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us on our trip. We might do a little bit of footage tomorrow, but you know, it just depends on how we feel.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's travel home day.
It is travel home day.
We have to leave this beautiful city.
I know, it's a bummer.
Yeah.
But hey, we got to experience it for a night.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I didn't feel like I was alive last night
She was very tired.
when Bob closed out the vlog, so we thought we would just
Quite
vlog a little
possibly
bit.
incoherent.
We took a little ride around the monorail this morning. Got a Joffrey's big ass donut
B-A-D.
to BAD, and then brought it back here and had a little breakfast by the pool, which was really nice.
It's quite nice.
Yeah, so it's 15 till 11. Our bus picks us up at 11:30, and then we're heading home.
Big silver bird.
Yeah.
Taking me there.
It's kind of blue and orange.
Well, it's blue and red and yellow.
Yeah. So we may film a little bit at the airport, just depending on what we do. If we don't, I'm gonna put this in at the end of yesterday, and that'll be it. So
Okay,
just in case, we will say thanks so much for following along on this trip. We really appreciate you guys. We love you all, and we will see you soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell, ding ding, and also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed our video. And we'll see you guys next time.
Okay.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel like